now I feel like hell tonight. I'm getting stoned but not feeling alright. The drug I need is not easy to get. Tell me you want me as the day we met. I wish you could fly until they call you so loud. Even your name can be drawn in the clouds. Special world I see for you and me. Special bond only you and I can see. I drive alone but you're my heaven away. I sing this song but you're my heaven away. Take a seat and let me show you the path. Let's take a ride and never try to come back. You get the rain on rain. You'll get the rain on rain. He's gonna rain on rain. She's gonna feel the rain. I say at the end of the day we're gonna see how far is the road we walk. Don't be afraid now. One thing is gonna make this true. Don't leave me now, we're gonna make it. Every woman has a key for a man to let him free. Free. Through the night I've gotta find myself and use the time I've been wasting. To land the rain's not gonna stop me now. I need the rain to feel better. And I don't need you by my side, but I want you one more time. You'll get the rain on rain. You'll get the rain on rain. It's gonna rain on rain. She's gonna feel the rain. Bring me that shout. I know things won't ever change. There's no way to get the train. Doesn't matter. Loads of verses still to come.